Hi guys, I'm Suzanne with Backyard University, here to answer all your backyard questions. Herbs make great indoor plants. Not only do they smell amazing and taste good in your favorite meals, but they can pack a punch where your health is concerned. We've put together a list of 10 easy to grow herbs that you and your health will love. Number 1, basil prefers bright sunlight and warm temperatures. Keep the soil moist and it will grow well. Health benefits: anti-inflammatory, contains eugenol, which helps reduce inflammation. Rich in antioxidants, protects cells from oxidative stress, supports digestion, aids in reducing gas and bloating. Number 2, mint. Easy to grow and can spread quickly. Needs moderate sunlight and moist soil. Health benefits: soothes digestive issues, relieves indigestion and irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, symptoms, improves respiratory function, helps with congestion and asthma symptoms, promotes oral health, acts as a natural breath freshener, and can reduce gum inflammation. Number 3, thyme. Thrives in well-drained soil and bright light. It has a woody, fragrant aroma. Health benefits: antimicrobial properties, effective against bacteria and fungi, making it useful for infections. Supports respiratory health. Used in traditional remedies for coughs and bronchitis. Rich in vitamins C and A, boosts immunity and promotes skin health. Number 4, rosemary. Likes a sunny spot and well-drained soil. It grows well indoors if you provide good airflow. Health benefits: cognitive support, known to improve memory and concentration, rich in antioxidants, protects the body from free radicals and inflammation. Improves digestion, stimulates the production of bile, which aids in fat digestion. Number 5, parsley. Prefers indirect sunlight and evenly moist soil. Health benefits: rich in vitamins A, C, and K, supports vision, immunity, and bone health, promotes kidney health, acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out excess fluids. Supports heart health. Contains folate, which helps lower homocysteine levels. Number 6, cilantro. Prefers cooler temperatures and indirect light. It grows quickly and needs regular watering. Health benefits: detoxifying properties, helps remove heavy metals like lead and mercury from the body. Rich in antioxidants, protects cells and supports overall health. Supports digestion, aids in reducing bloating and gas. Number 7, oregano. Thrives in bright light and slightly dry soil. It has a strong, savory flavor. Health benefits: powerful antimicrobial, contains carvacrol and thymol, which fight bacteria and fungi. Anti-inflammatory properties, reduces inflammation and boosts immune function. Rich in antioxidants, helps protect against chronic diseases. Number 8, chives. Needs moderate sunlight and moist, well-drained soil. Health benefits: rich in vitamin K, supports bone health by improving calcium absorption, boosts heart health, contains allicin, which helps lower cholesterol and blood pressure. Antioxidant properties, protects against free radicals. Number 9, sage. Requires a lot of sunlight and well-drained soil. It has a strong flavor, perfect for cooking. Health benefits: supports cognitive function, linked to improved memory and concentration. Anti-inflammatory properties, helps reduce inflammation and fight chronic conditions. Supports oral health, known for treating gum disease and mouth ulcers. Number 10, lemon balm, thrives in indirect light and slightly moist soil. It has a lemony aroma and is easy to grow. Health benefits. Supports cognitive function, linked to improved memory and concentration. Anti-inflammatory properties, helps reduce inflammation and fight chronic conditions. Supports oral health, known for treating gum disease and mouth ulcers. The great thing about these herbs is that you can plant them outside in your garden, in garden pots, or enjoy them year-round in inside pots. We at Backyard University hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have any other backyard questions or concerns, check out some of our other videos and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.